Alright guys, here's another video for R&B fishing. We're not fishing this time. I'm actually going to do an unboxing of my Lucky Tackle box. I've been getting that for the last 7 months now. Every month they bring you a box. Super badass. I get five baits, 15 bucks a month. Ain't bad. All of them are, it's always more than the 15 bucks, but we're going to step into my little R&B fishing office. Got the sign right there, R&B fishing. Tried making it run. You know, do something kind of different. Man, that is blurry. There it goes. Okay, there's the Lucky Tackle box. All my other stuff. Got my amazing lamp there. Power. All fishing poles. All lined up, ready to go. Down here, got all my other gear. Tackle box, all my other boxes. In there I got my line, a couple extra reels, some kokanee setups, flashers. In here I got all my plastics. But alright, here we go for the unboxing. Okay, here we are. I'm with my daughter Lexi, and we are going to do an unboxing. Lucky Tackle box. Been getting Lucky Tackle box for I'd say 7 months now. Every month they bring you 5 lures or up to 7 depending on what box you get. It's cheap, it's fun, it's always exciting. So let's see what I got this month. Want to grab one? So alright, we got a hatch spin by Lunker Hunt. I wonder if you can see that. That's pretty cool bait. It's a 1 ounce weighted lure is what it says. Got the 0 gravity jig. The fall rate on this jig is 1 foot for every 3 seconds. So it's going down extremely slow. And we got some more stick baits. 4.8 inches. Be great for wacky rig. Oh, some Lake Lunkers custom baits. A little frog style. Pulling them guys out. Oh yeah.
I want to touch one.
You want to grab it?
Ooh,
There we are.
ching, ching.
So this box only cost 15 bucks a month, and you get 5 quality lures out of it. Got hooks, some Mustad 4/0 hooks. I got swivels in there. I have no idea why. Awesome.
Dad.
Get a book right here. You can read it if you want. If you don't want to, you don't have to.
Daddy.
What?
With a hook, they are hard if you turn around.
Yeah, it is, huh? In these books, right here, it'll show you how much each one cost. So the first lure I showed you right here, from Lunker Hunt, $6.99. Okay. Yep, that's the one you grabbed. For the prism worms, from right here was at $6, $5.99. Pretty crazy. Mustad hooks right here, $4.99. We got the 0 gravity jig at $5 or $4.99. And the 6-piece frog set, $3.99. So if you add all that up, I mean you're at shoot about 30 bucks right there. All that 15 bucks comes right to your door. Fish Hound, or that's the, oh no, it's Tackle Warehouse. $5 off Tackle Warehouse coupon in these books. Pretty cool. So go to luckytacklebox.com. Get your box now. Say now.
No.
No, loud.
Yeah.
And point. Go now.
Now.
Do it.
Now.
Say now and point.
Now.
Yeah, there you go.